How to remove your Instagram account from other devices. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Instagram and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Move into your profile at the bottom right corner. Click on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Move into Settings and Privacy. Head over to Account Center and then click on Password and Security. Move ahead to Change Password. Click on your account. So over here you need to change the password of your account, and once it has been changed, your account will be automatically logged out from other devices. Now the next thing you can do is go back and head over to click on where you are logged in. Well, it will show you all the devices that you are logged into. Tap on Select Devices to log out. You need to select the device that you want to remove, and then click on Log Out at the bottom. Once it has been done, your Instagram account will be successfully removed from other devices and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to remove your Instagram account from other devices. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.